Hey guys, welcome to our channel codersarcade. In today's video, we are going to talk about a regular expression in Python. So, we already discussed about regular expressions in Python. That was the part 1 video. In this video, we are going to talk more on regular expressions. This will be the part 2 video. And in this video, we are going to focus mainly on patterns. So, what are patterns in regular expressions? So, let us see them one by one. So I'm Ashank David and let's begin the topic right there. Before starting this video, I would like you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. So let's begin with the topic patterns in regular expression. As you already know, in regular expression is a tool for matching patterns in text, right? So first we need to understand what is pattern and how to write the pattern. So in this tutorial we will be discussing more on patterns in the regular expressions, and also we will discuss few patterns which are widely used. So first of all, a pattern is used to match a target string. Suppose we want to replace something from the string, from a targeted string, then there, to match the string properly, we use patterns in this case. So basically pattern is used to match the target string. Now let us discuss about all the patterns one by one. Here in this case we will discuss about patterns. So now let's discuss about different patterns. So first pattern that I'm going to show you is cap symbol. So if I use this cap symbol, then what does this cap symbol means? Cap symbol is one of the pattern that is used to match the beginning of the line. So suppose if I write cap and then Python, now what this will do is this pattern will be used to tell that this string is starting with Python. Okay, so this marks the beginning of the string or beginning of the targeted string. Alright, so this was the first pattern. Now let's talk about the second type of pattern, which is dollar. So if I write dollar, it will match the end of the line. So suppose I am finishing my sentence. So if let's say if my targeted string is my name is John, then John is the last word of the line, right? So I will write it like this, John, and then at the end I will write here dollar. So when I give dollar here, this will mark the end of the line. So this is the second type of pattern. Alright, let's move on to the third type, which is dot. So if I write dot, then what it does is it matches the single character and it can be anything except for the new line. So it can be 1, or it can be 2, it can be 3, or it can be A, or it can be B, or it can be C, or it can be H, anything it can be, but it is going to only match a single character. Any single character it will take except for the new line. Got it? Now move on to the other type of pattern, fourth type of pattern, which is if I write in my square brackets 1 to 9, what this means is this matches any single character in this range. So suppose it can match 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, it can be anything from 1 to 9. But always remember, it can be only single character. So this is very important. Only single character from a range 1 to 9. Got it? So now this is the fourth type of pattern. Now I'll show you the fifth type of pattern. So if I say cap from 1 to 9, now what does this means? This means now it will match any single character excluding this 1 to 9 range. That means it can match any character except for this 1 to 9 range. So this is the fifth type of pattern. Now we will see the sixth type of pattern. So let us say it is X star. Basically we are talking about star here. So here star matches 0 or more occurrence of the preceding expression. So what does this means? If there is a star here, what it will match is 0 number of x's, or 1 number of x, or double number of x, or it can match triple x, or it can match 4x. Like that it can match in any expression, in any string, in any targeted string. Correct. So if there is a star, it can match any number of occurrence. It can be 0 number of that occurrence also. If there is no x, it can match that as well. So it will tell that there are no 0 number of x, or it can match any of the precedings, any of the number of x's. So here it can be more than 4x or 5x or any number of x it can match. Now this was the sixth type of pattern. Now let's say we talk about seventh type. Let's say it will be plus. So when we talk about plus here, what this is the seventh type of pattern. So if I say it is plus, this plus what it matches, it indicates that one or more occurrence of preceding expressions. This means that it matches at least 1x or 2x or 3x or 4x or 5x and so on. So it can match 1x or 2x or 3x or 4x or 5x and so on. So this is the seventh type of pattern. So these are the different types of patterns. I hope you have understood this. So today we learned about the different types of pattern. The cap pattern was the first, that is used to indicate the beginning of the pattern, beginning of the expression, beginning of the targeted string. Then the second was the dollar, which was used to mark the end of the string. Then this was dot, which was used to mark the single character. It can match the single character except for new line. This you have to remember. Then we talked about the fourth one, which was 1 to 9. So it will match any single character in this range from 1 to 9, but you should know that it will only match one single character. Then if we talk about this one, cap of 1 to 9, then what this will do is it will match any other single character excluding the range from 1 to 9. Then if we talk about the sixth one that we learned, we talked about the star. So if we write star with any of the characters, what it will do is it will match 0 or more occurrence of the preceding expressions. That means that it can match 0x or single x or double x or triple x or 4 times x or 5 times x. It can match this character from the targeted string. Okay. Then if we talk about the seventh one that we saw is plus pattern. So this means that it indicates that one or more occurrence of the preceding expressions. That means at least it will match 1x or 2x. If I write here x, then at least it will try to match at least 1x or 2x or 3x and so on. So it depends. So these were the 7 patterns that we discussed today in this video. For now we will discuss about these many patterns in part 2 video. In my next part I'm going to show you more patterns, and then we are going to see how we can implement these patterns in to match the targeted strings, and how we can use regular expressions in Python. So for now let's end this video here, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, please tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts in this video, tell us in the comment section. I'm going to clear your doubts. And thanks for watching. This is Ashang David signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, Stay safe and happy learning.